walking from where you get dropped off with the taxis. So yeah, you get dropped off just outside here, and then you buy your tickets through here. So you go through here, and then see these kiosks. This is where you buy your tickets. Well, that's where we bought them from the other day anyway. There's also a little supermarket, and there's some other shops here. And then so you walk from this direction through these gates here, and then you see all the trains, all the numbers of the platforms and where they're going to, and then you simply just stroll along until you find, we're on platform number 5 heading to Chiang Mai, and it looks like all of our people are lining up outside the train, and hopefully we'll be able to get on soon. I'm now on the train, and we got ridiculously confused because we've both got lower berth beds in the second class bit, but if you look down here it shows that there's like 2 beds, one on the outside, one on the window side, and then one upper. And so I'm a bit anxious actually that I'm going to have to share with a random man, because Sam's on that side and I'm on this side. I just asked the lady, and obviously being Thai they don't really understand what I'm trying to say. There's a bed above me, and I'm just hoping that this lower berth bed is mine, otherwise I'm going to be sharing with a random person, which could lead to quite a fun night. But yeah, we shall see when the train sets off, I guess. I tried to get some footage of the scenery on the way, but I don't know if it'll come out. If not, I'll just steal Sam's because he did a time lapse and he was clever. Yeah, we've arrived. It's now time to find a little guest house. The beds are really comfy. If you go on the lower berth, it's literally like having like a single bed and a bit to yourself. So that's quite nice. And they come around and they put mattresses out for you and like fresh pillows, fresh blankets and stuff. So you get a pretty good night's sleep. And I thought that the train would keep me up, but actually like the sound of the train and the swaying actually sends you to sleep. So that's quite good. But yeah, we've been Chiang Mai, so now I just need to go find